Frankie fans, this one is for you! We're doing our project on the Olympics, and what we're going to do is gymnastics for this because we were all in cheerleading and gymnastics, so we just decided to do this. The Olympics started in ancient Greece, 1776. Madison's sexuality was going to be in this, but she couldn't today, so this one's also for you, Madison! We love you! Oh wait, what? I don't know. Okay, the first basic thing in gymnastics is a somersault. I don't want to do this. I'll do it! We have to do it. No. That's a somersault. Okay, the next thing is a cartwheel. Oh. I think the next thing is a handstand forward roll. All it is a handstand and a somersault, so I'll go first. No! That wasn't it. Epic fail. Epic fail. The next basic thing is probably a back bend. Yeah. We should all do it like in a line. Oh, you slapped me. Okay. The next thing is round off. Oh yeah, we forgot about round off. This is a round off. That was epic failure. Okay. Walk over, back walk over. Now is a front walk over. So it's just a handstand and you go into a back bend and then you come up from that. We split your legs the whole time. Go first, Hailey. So that's front walk over. The next thing is a front walk over. Front scissor. This is a front scissor. And then there's a front limber. I don't know if you can see me. Now is a front Arabian. That's next. Watch out, Hailey! We have to make this interesting. We just did epic fail. Oh, front Arabian. Yeah. I have to make it interesting. You make everything interesting. Now it's a back walkover. Okay, just kidding. Shake that milkshake. Okay. Look at the cow. Wait, I gotta be on this side. Oh! Okay, wait, now we do. There we go. Now is a I hope he doesn't back scissor. Wasn't that just beautissimo? Beautissimo. Shut up. That's you can telling me to shut up. There we go. Okay, next is a back Arabian. Oh, we should all do it. Don't poop. Okay, let's try this. Be back more. Yeah, because I want to be. I'll be on this side, like facing this way. So like, well, you should be in the middle then. What? You should be in the middle. You want to be first? I don't care. Okay, ready? Wait, I'm gonna run it. Wait, let's go that way a little. Okay. Okay, this is where I'm gonna go. Okay, ready? Fail. Okay. Oh, the music stopped. Dang it. Next is probably a back handspring. Okay. So, I'm gonna have to go first. Me first?
Oh.
Okay. My turn. Am I in?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. My bad, proper.
That was her first back handspring by herself. Oh my god, that's her first back handspring around.
Oopsies.
Okay, now it's a round off back handspring. Oh, bug got up my nose. Now it's a round off back handspring. You first. No. Let's go first. I'll do a whole bunch then. Back off.
I don't even think they got me, but whatever.
Okay.
You guys should do it again. But I just quit since I can't do it.
Oh, we forgot about the. Yeah, go away. You're not in the video.
Yeah, get out, bro.
We forgot about the split, so we can all do a split to show you. Let's do it. We have to do it this way.
Okay, one person at a time.
Yeah, 1 person at a time. So switch, like move. Okay, turn. Just like fall down there. Yeah. Middle's I can't do, but I'll try. Oh, bug in my eyeball.
Gotta walk. I gotta do a split.
You're my boyfriend.
My boyfriend. Rudy, go.
Rudy, get out of here.
Get out of here.
It's so much fun. Try it.
Okay, what's next? Ariel?
Yeah.
Brody, get out of here!
Yeah. Ariel's next. I'm gonna have to go Ariel.
I'm gonna beat you with the stick, son.
Okay, son.
I was talking to the dog.
Nah. Jackson, stay out here.
You guys are battle.
You and I.
Oh.
Mylissa has to pee.
You guys move. Come here.
I wasn't good at it. Hey, come on, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, ready?
Go back on.
Fail! Shoot, bud. Shoot.
I'll try this again, but I'm kind of tired.
Where are you supposed to be?
I'm gonna shoot the bug.
Okay, get in the backyard.
I can do that.
Yeah. Oh, bravo. High five. Or whatever.
Hey, no, look what I can do.
Okay, yeah, get out of the video now.
My turn or your turn? Come here. We gotta get out of the video. Come here. Stand over here. Here, come over here.
Stay out of the way.
What's next? What's next? Back tuck.
Back to me.
Okay. Are we doing round off or?
Try round off
Get out of it!
Every time I do a video, they're in it.
Gavin!
Get out of there.
Mr.Bird's gonna watch. Yeah, Mr.Bird's gonna crack 11. This is
Enough.
Mom,
Why do I have to do a fair?
this is a back tuck. It's no back handspring practically. Ready?
You're back here.
Okay. Wait.
Oh, my peach. What'd you say about me?